A car tire repair kit enables quick puncture fixes, preventing delays and avoiding costly roadside assistance. And why today's video is about top 5 best car tire repair kit that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Autown Car Tire Repair Kit. The Autown Tire Repair Kit delivers professional-grade quality and reliability for drivers who want a dependable emergency solution. Built with refined high-quality steel, the tools feel strong and durable, making it easier to handle even the toughest tire punctures. The repair plugs provide excellent adhesion and flexibility, ensuring a tight seal that maintains proper air pressure and long-lasting performance. The 68-piece heavy-duty kit is incredibly versatile, working well on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, trucks, tractors, lawnmowers, RVs, and more. The included T-handle and spiral probe tools make the repair process straightforward, even for beginners. Everything you need is neatly organized in a compact, portable storage case that fits easily in your vehicle. What stands out most is the combination of durability, ease of use, and quick roadside repair capability. Whether you're traveling long distances or simply want extra security in your car, the Autown Tire Repair Kit is a practical and reliable addition to your vehicle emergency tools. Now our second product is Etenwolf Car Tire Repair Kit. This tire repair kit is a reliable and practical solution for quick roadside tire fixes. The T-handle tools are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring strong performance while repairing most tubeless tires. The ergonomic rubber-coated handles provide a comfortable grip and better torque, making it easier to apply force without causing hand fatigue during repairs. One of the standout features is the inclusion of two plug sizes, 0.14 inch and 0.18 inch, allowing you to choose the most suitable option depending on the puncture size. This flexibility improves repair effectiveness and helps create a long-lasting seal. The kit is also very convenient to carry, thanks to its compact storage bag that keeps all tools organized and portable for emergencies. It works with a wide range of vehicles including cars, motorcycles, SUVs, trucks, ATVs, trailers, and tractors, with essential tools like the insert tool, spiral probe, lubricant, and utility knife included. This kit provides everything needed for efficient tire repairs. Overall, it's a dependable and user-friendly tire repair solution. Our third product is Pitstop Car Tire Repair Kit. This tubeless tire repair kit is a practical and dependable solution for motorcycle and car owners. It is compatible with all tubeless tires, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including popular motorcycle brands like Harley, Triumph, Ducati, and Suzuki. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for riders who want a reliable repair option during their journeys. One of its best features is the DIY-friendly design. You can repair a puncture without removing the tire, which saves time and avoids the need for roadside assistance or installing a spare tire. The simple process makes it convenient even for riders with minimal mechanical experience. The kit is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry on long trips. Its mid-sized, user-friendly design ensures that motorcycle enthusiasts can keep it in their gear without taking up much space. With advanced sealing technology and rivet-like plugs that grip the tire from the inside, the repair is secure and long-lasting, helping prevent air loss and maintain safe performance. Now number 4, Autown Car Tire Repair Kit. This tubeless tire repair kit is simple, practical, and well-equipped for quick roadside fixes. Despite its compact design, it includes all the essential tools needed for effective tire repair. The kit comes with T-handle insert and spiral probe tools, a 4-way valve stem tool, self-vulcanization repair plugs, lubricant, valve caps, and other helpful accessories neatly packed in a convenient storage bag. The heavy-duty steel T-handle tools provide excellent grip and leverage, making it much easier to insert the repair plugs into punctured tires. This added steering power helps users perform repairs quickly and efficiently, even during unexpected roadside situations. Another great advantage is its universal compatibility with most tubeless tires. It works well for cars, trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, lawnmowers, trailers, and more. However, it is designed specifically for tubeless tires and is not suitable for tube tires or sidewall blowouts. Overall, this kit is a reliable and convenient emergency tool for drivers who want a quick, DIY tire repair solution anytime and anywhere. And our last choice is Autown Car Tire Repair Kit. This tire repair kit offers a powerful and convenient solution for quick tire maintenance. The advanced polymer composite adhesive provides excellent bonding strength and flexibility, allowing it to effectively repair scratches, punctures, tears, and air leaks. It works on a wide range of vehicles including cars, motorcycles, trucks, bicycles, and off-road vehicles, making it a versatile option for many users. The kit includes two 50 ml tubes of black tire repair glue along with 20 repair screws in 2 different sizes. These reusable screws, combined with the strong adhesive, help create a secure and long-lasting seal that improves overall repair performance. Another highlight is its durability. The waterproof and heat-resistant formula maintains elasticity even in tough conditions, ensuring reliable results over time. The fast-drying feature is also impressive, with an initial curing time of about 30 seconds, allowing quick repairs during emergencies. Compact and easy to carry, this kit fits neatly in a car, motorcycle bag, or toolbox. Overall, it's a dependable and cost-effective tire repair solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.